Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making 31 butterfly cupcakes. What you will need: 300 grams of butter, 300 grams of caster sugar, 6 eggs beaten, 300 grams of self-raising flour, 1 jar of raspberry jam or any jam of your choice, 8 ounces of whipped cream and icing sugar. Preheat your oven and line your tray with cupcake cases. Add your butter, caster sugar into a bowl and beat them together. Now take your beaten egg and add in a little bit at a time until all the egg is mixed in. Now sift in your flour a little bit at a time. Now take your cupcake mixture and fill your cup cases until they are half full. Cut a hole in the top of your cupcake. Place your raspberry jam into the hole of the cupcake. Now whip your cream. Now put your whipped cream into your piping bag. Now pipe the top of your cupcakes. Take your cut out piece from earlier and cut it in half. Then turn it upside down and place it so it looks like a shape of a butterfly. Now dust with icing sugar. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.